Hi there, and welcome to this video on the benefits of heat maps. My name is Marty Mendenhall, and I'm here with Karen Brooks. Hi, Karen.
Hi, Marty. Glad to be here.
I understand you are a strategic energy management coach.
That is correct. I've been coaching for over 7 years, and I really enjoy helping organizations achieve their energy goals. Additionally, I've been in management in some form or another my whole career.
So, Karen, we're here to discuss heat maps and how an organization might benefit from them. Let's start by asking what a heat map is.
Yeah, and that's a great place to start, Marty. In a nutshell, a heat map for energy use is a graphical representation that shows the distribution of energy in a building hour by hour, day by day, over a period of weeks or months. The amount of energy use is shown via a continuous scale of colors, often ranging from dark green for the lowest to dark red for the highest. It's usually for one specific utility meter, but it can be for a group of meters. Obtaining interval data is vital to the heat map development process. Interval data is a detailed record of the amount of electricity a building or facility uses at regular intervals, typically every 15, 30, or 60 minutes. This data provides a more granular view of energy consumption than traditional monthly billing data.
That's so interesting. You mentioned that interval data is a component in developing heat maps. Can you tell us more about how heat maps are created?
I'd love to. So we create heat maps using Excel. By collecting interval data that the utility provider typically offers, we find that 50 to 60 minute interval data works best. The data is then processed and the color representation is generated. Your energy coach can help you with heat map creation.
Who can benefit from the use of heat maps?
Marty, the short answer is everyone can benefit from the use of heat maps. Heat maps are a good tool for verifying HVAC and lighting schedules. They are great for office buildings and schools, and there's still value in using heat maps for buildings that run 24/7, such as hospitals or hotels. Because there is variation in use, the heat map is an excellent way to check assumptions and promote curiosity and awareness.
How does the heat map reveal patterns or trends using the data?
Now we're getting to the good stuff, Marty. So we're going to take a look at an example here. So you can see in our example that the vertical scale on the left is for each day of operation, while the horizontal scale across the top shows each hour of the day. The color shading represents the hourly electrical consumption for the building, meaning the green represents the lowest energy consumption, while the red indicates the highest energy consumption. Note how the operating patterns are so quickly discernible. I love that about them. You can see that evenings and weekends show up a more green and yellow versus tones of red for the occupied times during the week. This example provides several patterns to investigate. How about the MLK holiday? It looks like the building wasn't scheduled off for the day. Note that the after hours operations in the first couple of weeks show more usage and slowly starts reducing over the weeks. All this information is available in one snapshot, providing so much information. That's what I love about heat maps.
This is excellent information, Karen. How can someone take action based on what the heat map tells them? Do they need any technical skills?
Oh, Marty, this is what I love about heat maps is you don't need to be technically skilled to interpret a heat map. It's a great tool to verify that the actual operation and energy use matches your desires and assumptions. The heat map can identify energy consumption patterns outside the norm, indicating that specific areas or equipment within the building are consuming more energy than they should be. This information can be used to target energy savings measures and optimize the building's energy performance.
How frequently should the heat map be updated?
Great question. The frequency of heat map updates depends on each organization's need and access to interval data. So For sites with easy access to interval data, they might consider developing an automated process to generate and review the heat maps, say monthly. For others, twice a year is a good place to start, right? So as building managers continue to collect data and analyze heat maps, they can track the effectiveness of energy saving measures over time. They can also use heat maps to identify new opportunities for improving their energy performance.
Any parting thoughts for our audience today?
Marty, I have 3 parting thoughts. 1, reach out to your utility provider to see if and how they provide interval data. 2, connect with your energy coach and ask for assistance developing your heat maps. And 3, enjoy the benefits.
Well, thanks so much, Karen, for sharing your expertise today on heat maps.
Thank you, Marty. Appreciate it.